Welcome to Advice Overview video part 3. Today we will discuss about goal planning and goal monitoring. As you know, financial planning has become an important aspect of personal investment. Print and electronic media also talk about a lot. Therefore, a distributor needs to upgrade his skills on this front. So advice will become an aid towards this. So let's begin. We'll go to goal planning first. So once you click on this, you will land up on this page. So what we have done, we have already finalized a goal for investor. You can also importantly save goal for your prospective clients, a client who has not yet invested with you. So what we have done here, we have done the investment goal planning of a particular client, of existing client. So this is the page. So this is an education goal of investor, dummy investor 1, where we have seen the data. So we'll change the data a bit. So from 10 we'll make it 12, we'll make it 10. So 2 lakh will make it 20 lakh and 50,000 will make it 5 lakh. The expected return will change it to 14%, the inflation will change it to 5, and we'll see how data changes here. So the cost would be, which is costing today 20 lakhs, would be 32 lakh in 10 years from now. So the monthly SIP required is 10,645 and lump sum is 7,43,897. So by doing this, and you can save this goal, you can save multiple goals of same investor, of various investor, and by doing this you can keep track of all goals of your investors. Now we'll go to the next item called goal mapping. Now what is goal mapping? Under goal mapping you can tag your investments with a particular goal. So we will showcase how it is done. So let's take the same investor and the same goal. So this is the goal. So you see already there are 3 investment which has been tagged. So if you want to tag goal bank FD, company deposit or post office deposit or PPF with this goal, you can do that. Right now you will find that out of 3 mutual fund investment, only 2 have been tagged with this goal, and the details are the child education goal. The current value is only 1,11,944. Time left is 10 years. The expected return given is 14%. Additional lump sum required is 13,20,000. The projection current investment is only 88,000 coming. The present cost is 20 lakhs. Target value is 32 lakhs. The goal execution age would be 23 years. And so this is the 3% achievement has only been done. So what we'll do, we'll edit this. We'll see it is only 25%. So we'll make it 100% and we'll see this is increasing. So it is only 9% achievement. Again we'll do, it has already been done. So this red means that it has not yet been assigned. So we'll pull it here and we can assign it. See, it got assigned here now. So far it is 17% achievement only. So he has to increase his investments and he has to continue with this investment. Now this facility will highlight a very important aspects of investor psyche. So whenever an investor looking at markets or maybe for some other reasons wants to redeem his money, you can always dissuade that investor citing this goal and can postpone his redemption plan. He can alternatively redeem some other investment or can withdraw money from his other than mutual fund investment. So this feature will help a distributor to convince his investor to continue to stay invested irrespective of market condition and can track his goals, his investments, etc. So this is all. Thank you for watching the final part of Advice Overview video. Thanks again.